My name is Thomas Smith, and I'm the owner of Oakland Stone Landscaping Design. So what we do for our customers is transform their landscapes. We specialize in hardscape, so we try to repurpose their landscape into a hardscape setting so that it decreases the usage of water on their property. We can do anything in the landscape construction milieu though, so we're happy to oblige, but we do specialize in the hardscape. Well, we're a small company, so the positives that you get from that are just dealing with me directly. Any questions or changes you want to make to the project, you just reach out to me. There's no project managers or anybody else you need to speak to. That way communication doesn't get slipped through the cracks. So I'm here to facilitate all your needs, and that's one of the biggest benefits of working with a small company like us. My team is hand-picked, as I've worked for several other landscaping companies in the Bay Area. I still use a lot of the people that I've worked with, whether they specialize as electricians, carpenters, or irrigation experts. Those are the people I hand-pick for the jobs that we need to do, and I hand-pick them based on their expertise. The short history of the company, I would describe it as a company for the community. As I personally started this company very small, very grassroots based. I went around and put up flyers on telephone poles initially as a way to advertise. And still I like dealing with the community. I don't often see these clients as just clients, but neighbors of mine and people that I have good relationships with through the project and after the project as well. So here at Oakland Stone Landscaping Design, we have a simple motto. It's just honest work at an honest price, and we hope you choose us for your landscaping needs.